Video how to construct a triangle when base angle and sum of two other side is given. So first of all draw the rough figure, then next step draw the base which is given 5.8 centimeter with the help of ruler. Then we have to label it point A, point B, and its distance is 5.8 centimeter. Now we have to construct an angle of 60 degree at vertex B. So take any convenient radius in our compass and mark an arc which is intersecting AB at some point. AB को intersect कर रहा है, उसी point को अब हम center consider करेंगे and then mark an another arc without disturbing the previous distance. It intersecting at some point. अब उस पॉइंट से और बी पॉइंट से हम एक लाइन ड्रॉ करेंगे, वही हमें एंगल 60 डिग्री देगी और दैट इज वी हैव टू जॉइनिंग विद द हेल्प ऑफ रूलर एंड गिव द नेम टू दिस रे एज BX. देन नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज कंपास में हम डिस्टेंस लेंगे 8.4 सेंटीमीटर विच इज इक्वल टू BC प्लस CA. So adjust your compass up to 8.4. After confirming it is 8.4 distance, B as a center, mark an arc which is intersecting BX at some point and give the name to that point is D. Then next step is we have to join with the help of ruler AD. After joining the AD, to get a required triangle, we have to construct the perpendicular bisector on line segment AD. So how to draw the perpendicular bisector? So for that we have to take a greater than half of distance of AD in your compass. So we have taking it. So mark an arc A as a center on the both side of AD. Then D as a center, mark an arc which is intersecting our previous arcs. Now with the help of ruler हम लाइन ड्रॉ करेंगे जो इंटरसेक्शन पॉइंट हमें अब मिले हैं, जो आर्क से इंटरसेक्शन पॉइंट है, और ये जो लाइन जहाँ पे मीट होंगी BD को वही हमारा रिक्वायर्ड वर्टेक्स होगा C. सो वी हैव टू जॉइनिंग इट विद डॉटेड लाइन क्योंकि हमें सिर्फ परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर शो करनी है. After that, label it and give the point name C. Then with the help of ruler, we have to join it segment AC and we get a required triangle ABC whose base is 5.8 centimeter. Angle B is 60 degree and BC plus CA is 8.4 centimeter. But sometime in examination ask for the justification. So we have to write the justification also. First of all label कि 8.4 सेंटीमीटर लिया था उसे भी लेबल कर लेंगे. And now we have to write the justification. As we know, C is the point lies on a perpendicular bisector of segment AD. So which is the equidistance from the A and D. Therefore CA is equal to CD. Now BD is equal to 8.4. But BD means what? BC plus CD. And BC plus CA is equal to 8.4. And hence ABC is the required triangle.